Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Friday, January 22nd, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Scholars, I saw some amazing scholars in AR and Hotspot working very, very hard. I also saw you in PE. Nice job getting onto extensions at 7:30 in the morning so you don't miss out. I also saw and heard the scholars were doing an amazing job in Kinder Science and writing. Nice job, Kinder. Scholars and parents, keep yourself safe and healthy, and we'll see you on Monday. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!